What's up guys, and welcome back. So have you ever tried to stream an old movie or an old time favorite? Well guys, you seem to get no streams or errors in the stream or buffering. Well guys, there's a new add-on that actually surfaced. It's called the Bus, and it's a retro add-on. So guys, it's quite an easy installation of the add-on. So before I show you the add-on, let's get down to installing it. So you're going to click on settings, file manager, and you're going to click on add source. Guys, where it says none, you're going to enter the source. So I'm going to show you the source that I've entered. So as you see, I'm going to edit source, and there's it guys, http://thebus4u.com/repo. So guys, once you've entered this source, you can pause the screen. I will leave the link in the description as well. You give the source a name, so I've called it the bus, and you'll click OK. Once done, you're going to close this. You're going to go back out to the main menu, and you're going to click on add-ons. So once you're there guys, you'll click on the box in the top left corner, and you'll click on install from zip file. You'll come to the bus and the repositories. You will click on that. So once you wait for the pop-up to appear on the top right corner, then you know the repository has been added. So you can go into install from repository, and you'll look for the bus crew repository. You'll click on that. You go down to video add-ons, and right at the top you've got the bus. So you'll click on that. Where mine says uninstall, yours will say install. So guys, once you click install and it's installed, you can go ahead and click open. Guys, the good thing about this add-on, it's a retro add-on. It gives you tons of content in terms of old, new, some latest as well. And guys, the good thing here is it's one-click play, so that's an advantage as well. So when you open up this add-on, you've got search, documentaries, kids, MMA, YouTube MMA, box sets, movies, movie scrapers. So remember guys, this part or folder will scrape sources towards the movies you want to view. You've got TV scrapers as well, so that's gonna also scrape different sources and not one click. You've got retro TV, music, radio, and stand-up comedy. So guys, let's go into movies. Just gonna give you a quick rundown how this add-on actually works, which works quite fast. So when you open up movies, you've got movies from the 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, and the 90s guys. So these are all-time favorites, and you can watch them with one-click viewing. Just gonna wait for it to load. So as you see guys, we've got tons and tons and tons of content. So if you go to the top of the folder, it shows you movie scraper links. So this will scrape sources and links for current movies, and these are one-click movie playing. So guys, you got some great content here. So let's try one out to show you how it actually works. It's one-click play, and it works flawlessly guys. Remember, these content, since it's being old content, will not give you proper HD quality, so just enjoy the goodness of the movie guys. Once again, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe tab and hit that notification bell down below. So as we see guys, it opens up flawlessly and it works quite well. So it's smooth and no buffer, so that's a good thing guys. I'm gonna stop it there. So guys, it works really good. The good thing about this as well, it's got a kids folder. The kids folder does give you a bit of new content as well, so I'm just going to go back out there quickly. You've got documentaries and you've got MMA, so quite a big selection. Just click on kids. So as we see guys, your animation, box sets, cartoons, channels, kids, Cartoon Network, Disney channels, Pixar, Sony, Warner Bros. There's tons and tons of content guys. Let's click on animation. So look at this guys, so we've got 2018 content as well built in the kids section. So let's click on Peter Rabbit guys. So remember, these are not one click play, these are actually scraping sources off the net due to the content being newly released. So as you see guys, we've got tons and tons of sources. These are real Debrid links, so you'll need to have a real Debrid account installed to actually view these links. So you can go down if you don't have the account and pick sources that are not real Debrid. So as we see guys, it starts up flawlessly, it works, and there's no buffer. This add-on actually scrapes excellent sources, and it's a good add-on to watch those retro movies guys. So guys, I'm gonna stop it here again due to copyright protection, so I'm gonna stop that. Guys, one more thing, VPN. So there's a lot of talk about VPNs, there's a lot of YouTubers going out there. VPNs are there for privacy use, and it gives you that secure internet experience. Remember, using a VPN will give you that freedom on the internet without looking behind your back. So you don't want hackers, you don't want thieves, you don't want your ISP monitoring you, you don't want to pay accounts, things like that, your details to actually go out on the net itself. So having a VPN does help. And in terms of Kodi, a VPN is more like a geographic location unlocker. So if you're outside the States, outside the UK, or outside whichever country, and you want to access that content, a VPN will help you to gain that. So guys, check out VPNs and read up upon it. So I suggest IP Vanish. It has a 7-day money back guarantee. You can try it out. There are some free VPN services out there, although you will get some buffer on those. Remember, when using a VPN, it will also cut your speed down a bit depending on which server you actually pick or use. And remember, when you're streaming free content, tons of people are actually trying to stream that content. So if it's coming off from the same servers, it can lag or buffer in terms of use. So guys, I hope this video is informative, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe tab, hit the notification bell, and leave your comments down below. So into the abyss we go. Thanks guys.